IGC News, Biba Obibia Akwaba, Hadie later Zan Hot East Qua, Enamdi, Bremo, Enuti, so we can subscribe. Omodia say over subscribe to the channel. Jobian say over click the subscribe button. Now barely notification. We have a video for phobia be uploaded when the first person I will start the can video. I feel we are now like video. Give us a thumbs up. Now fee share my offer for us. Now we will be here now and summer and also a war down and baby. I feel you share a year and summer about the door you also. Yes, I report here about to be something.
Electoral Commission for and the Omo release statement. Assembly in say. Now, Jane Mensah say on your forensic audit bia ni nyina no. Asem tintin ya mametwa so ma ho. Yete Ghana ha, ye wa hemfo akese wa ha. Ye wa asofo akese wa ha. Ahemfo ben ba ko mienu miensa bi pe na akasa. Afa forensic auditor I was here. Now, I want to ask you a simple question. Before I go on, you see, Mensah say, Akufo Addo catches on can't say on forensic audit bia. No need for forensic audit. Laid down processes not exhausted. Or say, forensic audit na on wajia to say, a juma di omudi no na enwa to chimano, or say, audit no onye. Or say, omangasa ewo structures were easier, omode beye say jumano, ain't sa forensic auditor per se, the independent auditors ebanye nyina ehwemuno, or say onye. Mensah say no. Me catch them say there is no way a Mensah be audit no. Or yeah, Akufo Addo's presidency will be illegitimate. But catch them. Man catch them. Me say sa mami we. On the boss when I sorry. The day omobe open himself up for forensic audit wa Ghana no. Na do dan Akufo Addo's 2020 elections ye be hu say Akufo Addo onye legitimate president. Secondly, say oye this forensic auditor, the Supreme Court will be rendered useless. Because every document from 2020 to 2023, about from 2020, no, they know say it is bloated. They know. It is not say ebia omo person be yo. Omo say omo try sadia na. Adie ponche Akufo Addo yebetu Akufo Addo. And this same woman who was calling for audit in 2015, today she says no. Makachiremu. We as Ghanaians, we need to press this easy. Okay? We need to press their balls. Oyo Banti, we need to stick there and make sure say the right thing is done. Me say, easy. We need to press his balls. But Oyo Bano, we need to wipe it and make sure say what we want, it has been done. Because Jane Mensah she is working for Akufo Addo. She is doing everything to protect Akufo Addo's illegitimate presidency. She is doing everything possible to protect judges who knew the right thing but did the wrong thing. When electoral results in Ekopie court. So she is not just sitting there and protecting Odinejumou. She's also protecting the presidency. Timakachi will say, "Sa forensic audit the day obe biobu criminal, Akufo Addo will not be president again." So Akufo Addo has warned her never to try and open that book. Because we are so simple. But there's something I want to ask before I move forward. There's something I want to put forward. Today, Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng, the leader and founder of the Movement for Change, M4C, and presidential hopeful of the Alliance for Revolutionary Change, has joined force with the opposition National Democratic Congress, NDC, and other civil society organizations to back calls for Ghana's electoral management body, the Electoral Commission, to conduct a forensic audit of the 2024 voter register. Yes, Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng, Alan M4C joins calls for EC to conduct a forensic audit of 2024 voter register. Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng Oba Bontene also also support NDC for any CSO so mo nyina ka say sa register we enye credible moma yenye forensic audit ye nyina ye ma international the independent auditing firm embra na ye nyina fe ni hwem na ye make sure say e clean ansa ne akọ. Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng oka omo a ye kwoto omo so aba akoyi omo president now hade one list we wa no 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Hot news all time. You are
Omunyina
watching
president
juicy
Teddy.
news on YouTube. Hot
John
news all
Mahama
time.
number 8. Alan Kyeremanteng number 13. These so far are the two politicians almost say we just want to see how transparent the EC is. We want a free, fair election. Moma yang yeden yembiem na yang yeden ye audit. All these people contesting so far, me have not heard anybody. Mentis omu bimpa kase. We need a forensic audit on the register. None of them. Intibusaho, do you think the rest they care about you? They don't care about free and fair elections. And because as far as I know, omo amate se omo kase yenye auditing of the register Alan Kyeremanteng and John Mahama. From Bawumia to Kweku to the rest of these hypocrites obedient to me, because if all these guys had come together to say we need an audit of the register, then because they are the ones people are going to vote for, and they say we want the register to be audited, EC will have no option than to agree and make it work. But you see, I keep telling you, say there are people in this race, they are not in the race for you. They are not in the race because of Ghana. They are in the race because of their selfish interest to make money out of you. Into Mahamudi APC, Mumusa Yariga say, why is he not stepping out to tell the EC to do a forensic audit? Why is he not talking about it? Mahamudi Chabosmechi, why is he not coming out to say he wants an audit to be conducted on the register? Mahamudi Ekwedonkwechi, Mahamudi Kofi Palukwasi Campaign, Kofi Annan, why are they all not coming out? Releasing statement that we want this to be done, because majority of them don't want a credible election. Majority of them are there for the money. You expect somebody to speak, to say, okay, we should all come together as political parties on the ballot box and write one statement and say, Ebia John Mahama or Yededo, Ebia NDC for Yedede, let us test, let us clean the register. Yenina Yenshe, Yeria, that's a John Mahama loser. He knows say he has lost. Why do you think they are not doing it? Because some of them, majority of them there, they are not there because of you. They are not there because of the elections. They went there to take money. Kofi Palu your business, Ayariga your business, Ekwedonkwo your business, Gumu your business, Chadere Kwasi Campaign ono Jimmy. Omo Kenya your business. They don't care. Say in Tokobesi or Ghana, they don't care. Abana ye Akoto. So what is so bad? What is wrong if somebody asks, say, because of this and this and this and that, and you the EC, you have admitted, say it is true. These things happen. Why is it so difficult for you to open the register for a forensic audit to be done? Why do you think, say, all these candidates, they are not worried? Only Alan Kyeremanteng and John Mahama are worried. Why? The rest of the candidates are all candidates who don't care about how the election will go. Time at NDC court 2020. Did you see any of these political parties or independent candidates come out to say that, no, I'm also going to file a case? No. 99% of Omomo, they all supported the NPP. Say NPP, there are some of them here, Yoma Ba Edema NPP, they didn't talk. They are here. That is the issue. NDC is not asking too much, and NDC are not being speculative. NDC came with their facts. They came with things they have seen with evidence. So no fool can say Argentina political parties, when they are in opposition, they blame the EC. The NDC are not blaming the EC because of nothing. The NDC have made their case, and the EC about Bontina because it is true. So why are you not allowing everybody to come and look at what you are doing? NDC and your MPP Nkwasi Adidibia, Sammy Ukumujina said the youth should come out and kill people and destroy this nation. Sammy Ukumujina TV Suka said the youth should come out and kill Ghanaians. The youth to come out and destroy the nation. Where any that kind of allegation? The NDC came out with facts. Emma Isino has admitted that it is true. So why is the EC not agreeing? Say and the more release statement. Let's take our time, break the statement now. Not Ghana for Mensah, we are not supposed to allow this election to go on without auditing the register. NPP4, let me tell you, they know say election is going to be rigged. NAPO Bawumia omni message. The NPP is not attractive to any rational Ghanaian. They know the truth. It's out of sheer stupidity, tribalism, and the NPP. They know say NPP not say kruno. Bawumia na onam Ghana nante kan kwasasem. He knows senka Ghana na e shopper anko Gyamfi nipa nsem. Bawumia onim. Nanka this way ya govern Ghana ka Bawumia mo opposition anka de na kobeka. Sibia ya govern Ghana this year ka Bawumia your opposition leader anka de na kobeka. So he should tell you say the guy he's a hypocrite. He knows he's a munafiki. He eats pork. So he's not truthful. He's a liar. Bawumia is a typical munafiki. He is an imposter. He's not a Muslim or you preko or num wine or num wine with ye. They don't respect Muslims. Napo ya jimi. Napo onim nyansa ya de kasa. Or a tribe na did the chabedro we jimi on to me problem a woman napo to me solve it. The problem we are in today. Napo need the brains to solve the problem we are in today. Bawumia is a liar. He has no idea about governance. Now, Mumianko tie EC. Eye omo press release in there. Ye ni anum ni bi o mante. Yen kan brofo ni ndwedwam no monte ase. All right. So, we are about to read EC omo press statement no. Then we take it from there. Statement no mo de aba no. Na Ghana fo nyina ente de omo kanase. Ehona obo hu say there's a problem. Or say nyina ye de ya no etum na isi ne ye audit no ansa na yakwanim. John Dramani Mahama of the NDC say omu hia audit. Kojo Kyeremanteng of the movement of change. Almost said the almost say omu hia audit register nim. Adenti some other CSOs nipa titiri bebre organa ahemfo bi akasa say register no ye audit a enkuo bia. Isi say onye Mensah say onye 2015 na Mensah ka kire eye EC ni ana wo ho eye Charlotte say oma yenye audit register nim and before we ka kire Ghana for say onye yetete wo ekuro bi emu anka say atwini mu but bibi nti na sofo preach wa sorry dem na so baba na hemu a oyi nani to nchen na okanya mesem moma yenko kan eye omu statement no na menjudwam na Ghana fo hu senia EC no ebu ye kwasea senia Mensah hu ye say ye ne asini yenu senia boss na sare modwen say ye nkwasiafo a ometuma wi abanim de ama Bawumia moma yenko na yenko dwudwam. Now this is a statement from the Electoral Commission. Ye part bi akan bebie hia no akan a kirew senia be ya ubehu eye atra omudi so amefo muntie me very important say Ghana fo nyina behu no kre no saa de we untan hu bi eye hanko na hu a ye fa nwoma na ne edwudwam ne ama Ghana fo nyina ehu de eko. Now, Uridia, page 3, almost say, it is important to note that the commission, in cleaning the PVR, employed a rigorous, I don't know if this part of it, 4-pronged approach as follows. Okay, sorry. So, point 1, almost say, is, nyoma be and 9B and a sebio, omo eyeden edi omudwuma no omugina so sa nyoma 9 enie voters to our exhibition centers and via our electronic media who detected errors with their details had them corrected. Say voters are call eyeden exhibition area ho hu say sebio information no problem wo mu no say sa time of voters ne call no exhibition center ho no officers no corrective problem ni nyina. When a Mensah ejina so aka kire mo say enya de obeye audit no o se time na voters ne call omo exhibition centers eko check time ye exhibition no eko check omo din say wo mu no o se omo officers no more omo correct obia voters bi o buy omo so omo din ya sesa no ye de akwa me din ya spelling ye o say the officers no correct mistakes ni nyina. Point 2, exhibition officers in all our 40,000 plus exhibition centers scrutinized the register and reported discrepancies for correction. Or see, a year 40,000 a year exhibition centers a Ghana no. They see and say a year on the officers are no more no. Omutumi make sure say a year obia oba hobia beka say our problem e won di ho information e we register him any sebio nyoma e fa ho e wo no o say almost solve that problem ni nyina problem bi ensi omutumi solve obia problem. Inti Mensah catch them say or person catch them say on any officers no 40,000 polling stations so said sir exhibition no problem bi amba obi obey report bi no almost solve the report no ana problem na nipa de wo. Point 3, district electoral officers relied on the register viewer to scrutinize the register and correct discrepancies. Say, district electoral officers no rely will be a friend voter register viewer and di gina so making sure say obi any wa sebio exhibition you no na owo problem into obi an complain bibia exhibition no bibia ko so jojo into onima de kudie a NDC for kase yenye de audit e register nim. Over point 4 or say IT staff utilized the register viewer to scrutinize the register and reported discrepancies for correction. Or see, time and now what we call verification. No? In fact, the CNSA exhibition, no, officers, computer, no, IT staff, no, to me, juma ye, Emma Sebio, shishemu, and one who say, problem no, solve it. Into baby war Ghana ha, Sebio, exhibition, no, be complaining ya, to solve this problem, no, in center, into almost centers, 40,000, or be any, IT staff, no, electoral commissioners, officers, or more, a juma mudia, crojing, obi no complaining yet. Now the omo complaining crampo no ehona almost solve a problem ni nyina ehun se bibia e krojin. Now, uko enima, this is what the EC said. This approach has been effective in helping to clean the register and rid it of discrepancies. For the record, the same approach was adopted by the Commission prior to the production of the final register in 2020. Now, it worked effectively. Evidence shows that there were no votes. Evidence shows that there were no voters who were denied the opportunity to vote during the 2020 elections. Or say strategy where normally 2020 elections. No? In fact, a Jumadi Omudi in the 2024 time exhibition no any Bibiano the same thing normally in the 2020 ya to abanafinchima obia and complain say ni din any air registered into a person catch Ghana for say Jumadi Odi in the 2020 and nipa 8 we no sa Jumadi na no wedding in there into entina honi entie. Because 2020 Juma odi no and the ku nipa nwotwe o se saa Juma na odi no de o wa rehye mu se ebo adwuma pa ama obi anwanka ama sebio wantwi bi ansi wo polling station enti yemani yanti ase se Juma de odi 2020 nipa wuye no eno ana o sa be 2024 enti onti ase se Ghana for ni NDC for any Kojo Kyeremanteng CSO sukase on audited register no uko edima se na Mensah or say, this is the same approach we have adopted to clean the 2024 PVR, and we have no doubt that it will deliver the same outcome, namely a credible and robust final voter register ahead of the 2024 election. So basically, Sammy na apuchira mo say, Juma de odi 2020 omudi 2020 register no, and no one omudi 2024. Inti onima de kudienti yepe den audit e wo register nim. Bomi enko enim EC esa edwudwa nsembim. Moma menkan na mdwom nkyira mu. Mensah esa kasa no osaka assembly eka ho. Oko page 6 okan bibi o say corrupt and incomplete voter data. Or say the production of the provisional voter register PVR cannot perfect. The production of the provisional voters register PVR cannot perfect. It involves the retrieval of data from a database and formatting into a register that is presented to the public. In the extraction of the data, network errors may occur and lead to the corruption of data, which is then expressed in the PVR. This did occur in the production of the PVR. Now, however, this was detected and the affected registers were promptly regenerated during the exhibition. Or see, register no, dear emanisi ya ema data ni bi ekodi baby efa baby and say time na omudi djuma no sebio omo say network problem nti ema endi ni bi na e wo say ko baby e wo say ko any information bi e wo say ko baby e ko no because of network problem any nyoma bi a sebio na engine so ye no ene na ma sa problem ni si ye nti omo de share network adikudienti anipa bi voters bi yeyi omudi free pusiga ene ko wantongulugu no ene yeyi obi free atofos constituency ene ne bankan no o se o na network problem na emom later no omo huye ena omo check system no ena system no sa correct sa problem na esiye no akore ni mo say integrity of the IT system. Mensah statement, EC statement na meka achiro no. Or say the EC is confident. The EC is confident. The EC is confident in the security of its IT systems. The system has an audit trail that tracks all entries and modifications irrespective of how minutes they are. Now, I see EC no, IT system no there. A idea more ding. Ejina ne naso. Ne de fe krampo wo mu say obia ede ne nsaka EC for computers ana eye nyoma omudidi omudwuma na omo machines bi wo ha etumi tracke in this enrechi obi de ne nsaka EC computers ana BVD ana se de ndien a omo machine bi a etumi tracke say oh asebesi de ne nsaka ye omuvu bibi kwa ha into say omo IT system de ejina ne naso pampe okore nim no o say it employs both physical and electronic access control policies which utilize either password or biometric or both. We however recognize that there is no perfect system. Almost system so there a use nipa and a computers. Edu point to be also nipa that din yomagum edu point to be so also computers e di dwuma no na omagia tum say eye nipa any computers na eye computer ho dwuma nti eye den a inform so ho but omugidi say eye machines omudi ye dwuma no machines ndi gina na so enya ade be mistake nti say eba eye edwuma eye a ema edwuma na gina na so ema enkofo data say bi obi tumi fa ne sanka de a opese okachira mo say ono ne machines no the computers no any omudi sa adwuma ne de krojin bibia dan akwem. Okone ni was say a case in point is the transfer done by our officer in Pusiga who exploited the absence of a liveliness check in voter identification and used ID photos to undertake unauthorized transfer of voters. Now, it is important to note that the commission detected this anomaly, identified the vulnerability, and immediately put a remedy in place. More importantly, the presence of blah blah blah. Or see, a woman say a year officer about Pusiga. Sa officer of Pusiga no, or to me movie nipa ding every Pusiga, every ho echo another air district and another polling center. Na omo say adikudienti esi sa ne say officer no sebio na ewo ekwan bia na nka so diso na nka so otwen na ode e information na nkasa na yesa adwuma no edi make sure so obi obeba ho bia abe register no information nyina no wahwe na so officer no wa ndi sa amra no so ode pictures keke e na yesa adwuma no enu nti e na ma sa nipa dodo no mo Pusiga no omo di kopie baby na o se sa de no omo tie no omo ye nwudwuma edi nwudwuma masesia no omo de sebio correction ne baya bibia na akwem question and say enti say anka omo ho na ehu e no man report officer na enti kan na nke ti ha no anka sa nipa officer no move ye no anka ye nyina anka yenim say move sa nipa no Mensah person kire say eye officer na dwuma na die na odi no Pusiga e move nipa din every Pusiga ko be foforo no sebio sa dia na officer no nanka o say nka offer eye system bim nanka odi information bebre ansa na otumenya access no na officer no edikoti kwan so e na odi nkofo pictures keke yes adwuma no it means say somebody can break into the system and do what they want to do and then after that walk out of the system and allow the system to run. And it's a Ghana focus say if this can happen, then the probability says Sanyoma will be SCC our titru Ashanti region high. In fact, Enrechi ya story be say court to be say nipa 1,000 be a transfer omo anya no ekwan paso into east no ensa enye transfer in the back. It means to say the register is not credible. Even Ashanti region ye riem Ashanti region ye tigum Ashanti region obi anim say abadodo afiri oba ye riemu ena sebio ekoso ho no omo ankasa court e wa Ashanti region aka say transfer bi omo ye ne nansen no east na ye no sa transfer no emfa kwan mu koti kwan bi so no ye transfer no into east na sanko back no nko reverse transfer no then it means to say these things happening no there are so many places in Ghana sadie na si. So the EC is not the same people and also the same institution also me dey almost correct e be ka kire e was see any EC ni nyina e correct this problem no. So who check EC for excuse ma say Pusiga dey see e NDC for and a che officer no and ka kire the whole Ghana say we na EC officer na ye. It means say bibi sa e so bantama say NDC ni no ehu a na se be koso Se bibi sa ekoso okwabrea na se NDC ni na ehu a ebekoso enitina it is important to say ye nyina ebe be registered nim ne ama independent forensic auditors aba no ma be sa adwuma na ye nyina ni tua ne ehu say okay easy correction omso ma ye na oma ye na yete hei wonko na wura dem ho ena okọ na kotwa gare konko baako baaye obaya oka kire ye say edan nim no gare na ewom ni nyina aboto baako na sa ode gare konko baako peso na baaye ene say wo si edan na wura mu no gare boto baako no ukosa konko baako no gare boto na sa mumma ye nyina ye nwura dem woni enkohwe se gare na ego boto dum no gare na sampa o so mpene ye no na tia easy ena wura dem ena wo say wo gare boto baako one sack ukoba no udi konko ulonka baako pe ne bae ena obeka kire abontene se gare one sack na ye nyina ehu se rekɔhye dem no e ulonka baako ena say okay ye nheda njiwundi inti apese no wura dem ne ekohwe se sa gare boto no e yolonka baako pe ene kuma o se wo mpene o pese wo ankasa o sa akodem ho na wo kohwe na obeka kire se gare boto no e yolonka baako na se nyolonka ye pese nyina yekɔ se yekodem ho na se gare no e boto baako ye yolonka baako ne yongo se oh na wo ka no kore ye ne yeni megu ase ade inti na wo pese e be wura dem ho akɔche se boto baako no e yolonka baako de fa na se there's more gare in the room se one mpene a na so wo ya kromfo because wo ka kire say oh edan de ewa wo dan wa na wo prema no pa wa na wo mu kwan mu say wo betiti mu ntentan wa na wo mu kwan say wo bedi nkonwa besisi yesi atiase e ya wo dan na so gare na simu no e ye nyina e gare so emra isini ye kore ne say omo ka kire say oh sebio this is number 2 we go to number 3 ye nyina ye wo dan obia wo dan e na ye nyina high dan baako e na isi de hwe so technically only down odemu no ena isi se gare boto si dining ena so okotwa gare boto no ba ekonku breye oba abontina aka kire ye se oh e dina gare no simu no olonka baako pe eye boto baako ena so no olonka baako nya boto baako because boto na wo no e olonka ba 50 ansa nya boto baako ena ye ka kire so ende me nyina ye nko check se boto baako no eye olonka baako a o se wo mpene adentira also oh edan de ewa wo dan even though ye ne high dan ma ono technically e wudi na da so wona opera dem ho wo so na pa na hye nkonwa wona wo gide wo pasiye enti wo mpene e ma ye nko dem na wo pesa wo nko awokɔ na wo sa akɔ cheke na wo make sure say oh sa na gare boto no enye e na wo kɔ dem wo ba be ka kye say oh sa enye boto baako enye konko baako na se bi o menhu ni ye ene asu yate still ye pesa e kɔ hwɛ se konko no ene gare no ene boto no e wo dem ho a ye ne pesa hu se konko gari ena boto ya pese emu se sa anyom ne nyina wo dem a wo so wo mpene wo bodam wo ye kromfo wo ye wi unim nyansa je Mensah o se bonitimutuo o pese o say democracy no one boss man asare o mu nim nyansa
yo tipo we ni ensema ababeto ye pronso ka se GCB so ena wo hwe no se wunya subscribe ya omudi ase wo be subscribe to the channel sanse hadie latest and hot news kwa eramde bremo I feel we are not like video no na fe share ma ofofro so na we be here na wo hu ensema ekoso e wo Ghana no mo han wo so betimi a kire wa den fa ye ensem we na ho e wo comment box no wo beti nkami in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.